Hello everyone, now is the time for basic operations on fractional numbers. In my previous video, we have discussed about fraction and its types, how to change the fractions into another fraction. Now here we are with addition and subtraction of fractions. Addition and subtraction of like fractions. Take two or more like fractions. We add or subtract the numerator to obtain the numerator of the required fraction. The denominator of the required fraction is the common denominator of the given fractions. To add fractions, there are three simple steps. Step 1. Make sure that the bottom numbers, the denominators, are the same. Step 2. Add the top numbers, the numerators. And step 3 is put that answer over the denominator. Copy the denominator. Here's an example to add. Look at this fraction carefully. 1 is 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5. Look at these very carefully. The denominators, the number downside the fraction is same. That is 5, 5. So we can say this is a like fraction. Okay, for like fractions, we will add the numerators as it is. And numerators are 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is equal to 3. And the denominator will be copied. So we will get the fraction 3 upon 5. That is the correct answer. We take the next example of addition. That is 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. So here we can see the denominator, that is 5, is same in all the fractions. So we can say this is like fraction. So we will add the numerators, that is 1, 2 and 3 as it is. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6 upon 5. Denominator will be copied. Now we get improper fraction, in that numerator is bigger than denominator. So we need to convert this into a mixed fraction. For the mixed fraction, we have discussed in the previous video how to convert. We divided it, and after that we got this 1 integer and 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5. That is the correct answer. There are three simple steps to subtract fractions. These are: make sure the bottom numbers, like denominators, are the same. Number 2, subtract the top numbers, the numerators. Put the answer over the same denominator and then simplify the fraction if needed. That is to convert into mixed fraction. If you get the bigger number, bigger numerator and smaller denominator, improper fraction, it is compulsory to convert it into mixed fraction. Now here the example is: subtract 5 upon 8 minus 3 upon 8. Look at here very carefully. the denominators are same, that is 8. So we shall do it very simply as we have done in addition. 5 minus 3. Numerators will be subtracted. Then after subtraction we get the answer 2 upon 8. Yes, 2 upon 8 can be reduced, so we need to write the answer in the lowest form. And lowest form is 2 comes in the 2 and 8 both comes in the table of 2. So we shall cut 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. And in answer we will get 1 upon 4. Remember that this is compulsory. If we get the answer that can be turned to lowest fraction or to the mixed fraction, we need to convert that. Now here is practice time of fractions of addition and subtraction that has the same denominator, that are like fractions. You can do it very easily. Numerator will be added and denominator will be copied as it is. Remember that denominator will be copied. Don't add that, okay? Add numerator or subtract numerator and copy the denominator. Now let's see and observe what is here. There is 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4. What is it? Denominators are not same. One denominator is 2, another is 4. Denominators are not the same. So if we look through the pictures, we will see that one is 1/2 and other is colored 1/4. And total of that is 3 portions are colored and 1 is left. Means to say 3 upon 4. But if we do without the help of picture, how shall we do? The question comes here. 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 4. Let's see the steps how we shall do. Addition with unlike denominators. Adding fractions. 2 plus 2, 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 8. First step is find a common denominator. Denominators are 3 and 8. We can take LCM of that also, or we can multiply that as we have done in it. 3 8s are 24, and we can recheck that the number should come in both the digits. Okay, 3 8s are 24 and 8 3s are 24. Now next step is make equivalent fractions with the new denominator. Equivalent fractions we have discussed in the previous video that you can revise too. So 2 upon 3, firstly we shall do this and convert it into equivalent fraction. So here if our denominator is 24, so then what will be the numerator? 3 8s are 24, then 2 8s are 16. So here the new fraction will be 16 upon 24. Same as 1 upon 8. If the denominator is 24, 8 3s are 24. Same will be multiplied with the numerator 1 3s are 3. 3 upon 24. In this way we have got two new fractions that are 16 upon 24 and 3 upon 24. At the top numbers Add the top numbers and put the answer over the same denominator. That is 16 plus 3 is equal to 19. And what will be of denominator? Denominator will be copied, that is 24. Now look at this. This is proper fraction. We need not to reduce or turn it into another. So this is the answer. Let's take one more example. That is 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 3 is equal to what? So 4 and 3. This shows that this is unlike fraction. For this, we need to take the common denominator. Common denominator of 4 and 3 is 12. Okay? 4 and 3 is 12. 4 3s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So we shall make it equivalent fraction. For this, we shall multiply. Our denominator is 12. So 3 4s are 12. 3 multiply 3 upon 4 multiply 4. That will be 9 upon 12. Next, to make equivalent fraction, 1 upon 3. 3 denominator is 12. 3 4s are 12. Multiply by 3 4. And again the numerator will be multiplied with the same number, that is 4. 1 4s are 4 and 3 4s are 12. So next fraction we shall get 4 upon 12. That will be 9 plus 4 is equal to 13, and denominator will be copied. 13 upon 12 will be the answer. But is it correct answer? Numerator is bigger than denominator. This is improper fraction. So we need to turn this improper fraction into mixed fraction after dividing. That will come with the answer 1 upon 12. Now add mixed numbers. Mixed numbers means to say there is one integer and a fraction. So first step to do this is to change to improper fraction. That we know, we shall multiply 2 multiply 9 plus 1 is equal to 19 upon 2. 4 multiply 5 plus 3, 4 5s are 20 plus 3, 23 upon 4. Now solve this. Now this is unlike fraction. 2 and 4 denominators are not same. So we shall change to common denominator. Common denominator will be 4. So we shall turn the fractions into equivalent fractions. For 19 upon 2, equivalent fraction will be 38 upon 4 plus, for the fraction 23 upon 4 will remain same because the denominator is multiplied by 1. So after adding 38 plus 23, we shall get the number 61 upon, and denominator will be copied, will remain same. In this way, next step will be add the numerators. Now we have got improper fraction 61 upon 4. We shall change this to mixed numbers after dividing, and we shall get 15 1 upon 4. Yes, this is correct answer. Subtract mixed numbers. This is same as add mixed numbers. Only the signs are changed and we need to follow the signs. 9 1 upon 2 minus 5 1 upon 4. Firstly, we change to improper fractions. that is 19 upon 2 minus 21 upon 4. Then after we shall take a common denominator, that is 4. With the help of common denominator, we will make equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions will be 38 upon 4 minus 21 upon 4. We shall subtract the numbers 38 minus 21 and denominator 4 will be copied. We will get 17 upon 4. Then again we have got improper fraction. We shall turn it into mixed fraction. So change it to mixed fraction. That will give us the answer 4 1 upon 4. Yes, this is absolutely right. Let us practice more. Evaluate 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 5. What we will do, this is a like fraction, take the common fraction. We can take the common fraction with the help of LCM also. That's why I am showing this example to you. There may be biggest numbers also. Sometimes common factors, common fractions can be taken mentally, but some are big, so we need to do calculations. Calculations means we need to do LCM. So here the answer of LCM is 15. So common fraction is 15. We shall convert it into equivalent fractions. 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 5 will be converted and we shall get 10 upon 15 plus 12 upon 15. We shall add both the numerators and copy the denominator. Then we will get 22 upon 15. Again, it's improper fraction, so we shall change it into proper fraction. That will be mixed fraction. Okay? I hope you have got. Now, let's practice more. Subtraction sum here is subtract 2 1 upon 4 from 5 upon 9. What we shall do? We shall change it into improper fraction. 2 4 to the 8 1 9 upon 4 from 9 5 the 45 plus 1 46 upon 9. Okay, we shall turn it into equivalent fraction. For this we shall take the common number, common denominator. We can take LCM or we can do mentally. 9 4s are 36, that is the common denominator for both. So we shall multiply this. 4 9s are 36, so 9 multiply by the numerator, that is 9 9s are 81 upon 36. Next is 9 4s are 36. So we shall multiply 46 multiply 4. 46 multiply 4 gives us 184 upon 36. And for subtraction we take the bigger digit first and a smaller after that. So bigger digit here is 184 upon 36, subtract 81 upon 36. Do subtraction and copy the denominator. This gives us 103 upon 36. Again the same step. This is improper fraction. What you need to do? You know that. Convert it into mixed fraction, that gives us 231 upon 36. Let us practice one word problem also that will be asked in your syllabus. In this word problem, write the statement, then solve the sum. Same procedure you will follow. Take the common denominator, change it into equivalent fraction, then after subtract and copy the denominator, that will give the answer 1 upon 6. So first statement that we shall write here is part of the pole divided up by the monkey first is 3 upon 6. Part of the pole monkey slipped down is 1 upon 3. Now how much part he climbed? Means to say 3 upon 6 minus 1 upon 3. So we get the denominator unlike. So we shall make the common fraction. Common factor, a common number is 6. Change it into equivalent, and equivalent, while doing equivalent we get the numbers 3 upon 6 and 2 upon 6. We shall subtract 3 minus 2, that is gives 1, and copy the denominator, that is 6. So here we can say the monkey climbed 1 upon 6 part of the whole. Now here is evaluation worksheet. Try out the fractions, add and subtract as well. Practice it in your rough notebook or whatever on rough sheet. Check that is it like fraction or unlike fraction first. If it is like fraction, add or subtract the numerators and copy the denominator. But if it is unlike fraction like 2 upon 5 and 8 upon 15, take the common denominator, that will be 15, convert it into equivalent fraction, then add. You will get the answer 14 upon 5. Same as you will continue with the steps told to you. I hope you are finding no problem. Now, there is an activity of life skills. In this, you see a cake. You need to share the cake with the people, poor children and your friends. What fraction of the cake do you get? And what fraction of the cake do each poor child get? And what value lesson do you learn from this? Obviously, sharing is a good habit. Thank you. Have a nice day. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Subscribe my channel for more videos and watch previously uploaded videos too of the syllabus.